The voices in your head, keeping you in bed.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, September 9th. I just woke up and welcome to a day in my life as a junior in high school. School vlogs are beginning. Here we are. I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout the whole day, talk to you in all of my classes, and then also later tonight we have a football game, so that should be fun. But I woke up at 7 this morning, and last year I didn't start school until 8, but this year we start school at 8:30, and I've actually been liking it a lot because I can really take my time in the morning, and then also I kind of get extra sleep. But I'm gonna go get ready and I will see you guys after. Alright, here we are. I don't look dead anymore. Outfit of the day, I have this brandy tank top. It's just white. It has like hearts on it too. Super cute. And then skirt is from Princess Polly. Shoes, I'm just gonna wear my AF1s. But basically, California weather has been so weird lately. We've been going through a heat wave, so it's been like disgustingly hot every single day. Like 90 degrees. Just everyone's just very sweaty and hot, and it's not that cute. So this is kind of what I've been wearing all week. Like skirts, dresses, you know, tank tops and whatnot. But then it's weird because it also might rain today. So I'm gonna put on some Brazilian Crush. But I kind of talked about this in my last video, giving you guys like a little update on junior year and how it's been like pretty smooth so far. I mean, it's only like my 3rd week of school, so it hasn't been too bad. I definitely think once like test starts and stuff like that, it'll get more stressful. Oh, another thing is I'm still getting into routine, like my morning routine. I still haven't really like perfected it or like figured it out 100%, but when I do, I will definitely be filming one of those. But one thing that I definitely do every single morning is check my to-do list on Notion. I make to-do lists for myself every single day, and the website I use is Notion, and they're actually sponsoring a portion of this video, so let's chat a little bit about Notion. Thank you so much to Notion for sponsoring this video. I am so honored to be working with them because I've genuinely been using Notion since the beginning of 2021, but with school starting up again, the best way I've been staying organized and staying productive is by using Notion. Notion is a place where you can write, plan, run projects, literally so many things. They have a bunch of templates that are like a set of building blocks for creating things you love, such as class notes, to-dos, reading lists, syllabus, or classroom home. Or you can customize and make your own. So here's a tour of my Notion. So I feel like my Notion is kind of on the simpler side compared to other people's, but here's my homepage. I have my cover. This is my YouTube collage that I made for junior year. I have a white heart for the little emoji, and then I titled it Home. So under that, I did a little quote, "Everything happens for a reason," one of my favorites. Every time I enter my Notion, it's like a little reminder. And then here are my 2 sections. I have daily and then life. Hence the name. Under daily are stuff that I use every single day. So for to-do list, this was my to-do list for today. I had to wake up at 7, post about my new video, get ready for the day. I have school from this time to that time. Then later I have to set up for the football game, attend the football game, and then also remind myself to vlog all day. So far I've done the first 3, so I can check those off. But I love using Notion because throughout the day, as I'm getting things done, I can check the boxes off and I'll feel accomplished. Back to home, I have life, and the 2 categories here are YouTube and school. So for YouTube, I made this little cover page. It says Nicole Laeno, and this is actually where I plan all of my videos. So for 2022, I'll show you guys an example. In August, I use the calendar feature, which makes it really easy because I post every single Friday, so I can just like put all my videos onto the calendar and see it nicely. But here's an example. If I click on this video, prepping for my back to school video, I actually planned out everything I wanted to add, everything I wanted to put in my backpack, the giveaway, just stuff like this so I don't forget anything, and I do that for all of my videos. Then for school, since it's still like the beginning of the year, I'll definitely be adding more pages, but so far I just have my schedule. So all of my classes, my teachers, and then their room numbers. But I have AP Lang, Pre-Calc, Ceramics, ASB, US History, and APES. But a lot of people use Notion for like class notes, organizing all their assignments and tests, so I'll definitely be adding more pages as the year goes on. And yeah, that's basically it. So that is my Notion tour. I absolutely love using Notion because I used to plan all of my things in like different places, but now I can just keep all of them in one place. It's 100% free for students and educators, and if you sign up using your school email, you'll get access to all of the personal plan pro features. So make sure you guys sign up for Notion using the link down below in the description box, and feel free to use templates. Alright, back to the video. Alright guys, I am all ready for school. I'm just gonna go downstairs, grab my lunch and water, and it's time to head to school. Goodbye, Saderson. Oh my god, it's so hot. Wow, I feel like I haven't filmed in my car in so long. But anyways, I try to leave to school around 8 a.m. every single morning, or like 8:05, just so that I can get a good spot in the parking lot. And then also a lot of people go early, so you kind of just like chill there before going into school. But I am so happy it is Friday. Friday's probably one of my favorite days of the week. I don't know, just good vibes all around. Anyway, see you guys at school. Good morning! Welcome to Friday vlog. Thanks.
Day in the life.
How's everyone's feeling?
Be tired, bro.
Yeah, I feel that. It's so hot. What is going on? Nathan, you want to say hi?
Hi guys. Wait, is this a Canon 4567? Yo.
First period AP Lang. This is Addie's Perry the Platypus. We're doing worksheets on text chunking.
All I did was just stop.
Paragraph is just evidence from the text.
Yeah, like evidence and analysis.
Yeah.
And connect.
I like this class.
It's disgusting.
Are we vlogging today?
Hi! Just finished AP Lang. Next is math. Welcome to our math class. There's Mackenzie. Kaden, do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
This is Kaden.
What's up, vlog?
He sits in front of me. Okay, so basically we've had a sub for the past 2 days, but now she's back, and we have a test on Monday. We're doing functions. Okay, bye. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, this is what I wrote on the board, and I dotted my eyes with hearts. Can I tell the vlog what happened in class? She literally kicked over her whole thermos, and all of her coffee spilled on the floor.
And like a minute before that happened,
She
I
was like,
today
it's not my day, and then it happened. I felt so bad. But we don't have math homework tonight. Yay! We need to tell them about our after math class tradition. So we have this thing. This is our slogan of the year, live, love, blank. Basically after math class, we find like a bunch of words to put in the blank. So let's do our live loves today. Live, love,
It not being my day.
live, love, no math homework.
Yes. Live love the football game.
Live, love the football game tonight. Live, love being Friday. Live, love.
Live love.
School vlogs. Live, love, school vlogs.
Yeah.
Now that you guys know what it means to be tradition, comment your own live, love down below.
Affirmation.
That's our affirmation of the day. By the way, it's snack time now, and we just meet our other friends. We go towards the mall and just sit at this bench. We are now in 3rd period ceramics. Thank gosh me and Rishi have this class together, because like, if we had it like individually,
No,
it
if
would be
you didn't
so
switch into
boring.
this
Oh my god, I know.
class, like,
Originally, I was gonna take AP Psych, but then I switched into ceramics.
And I would have been alone if she didn't do that, so God bless.
Okay, right now we're doing a ceramics word find. I've also been eating food. This is the period I eat all my food in. But a few days ago, I think 2 days ago, we got to play with clay for the first time, and I recorded some on my phone. So I'll put that footage. It was so fun. I'll put that footage in right now.
Don't go through about halfway in. Alright, good. We're gonna pinch at the bottom. Alright. Now, bottom very thin. Yeah, we're gonna be. Keep working while I'm
But yeah, more projects with clay coming soon. I'll keep you guys updated with ceramics. But our teacher's really funny. He's just out today though, so. Okay guys, here are me and Arishi's pinch cup thumbnails. So creative. Here, let's show them. Ballerina, cat, eyeball.
Nicole stole all my ideas.
Yeah, I did. Basketball hoop.
Ballerina, basketball hoop, a cat.
That's our assignment for the day. Next week when he comes back, we'll do more with clay, so. We're in ASB now.
Nicole.
DTH.
This room is making my soul cry.
It'll be gone by love.
So if we can organize.
Okay, so basically in the ASB room, we'll go around and report what everyone's working on. Everyone has different projects, and then if you don't have a certain project that you're not working on, then you say DTH, which is down to help, and then you'll just help someone who does have a project if they need it. If that makes sense. This whole week, I've been filming videos for the school and like editing them, but today I don't have a project, so I'm gonna go see who needs help. They're currently working on homecoming. Jaden, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is freshman president. Oh my gosh.
We're going on a car trip.
They're going on a car trip with posters. Yeah, I'll come. So all of these posters are for tonight's game.
Melting.
I open it. Guys, it's hot.
Guys, we are all dying in this heat.
Guys, I forgot the surprise, but we have to go wrap the students with the paper. Haven't I phobia?
Yes. Okay, so for the game Ella, say hi to the vlog. There's our ASB president. We have to put these on the seats because this is the student section of the football stadium. This is Sydney. Hi. It's not even. So we have a system going. Emma's taping and I'm stepping on it.
Oh my god.
This is freaking not torture. Sweater weather, please come ASAP. Like, where are you right now, bro? I'm about to go home. This is Karate Chop 101.
Go for it.
Oh!
Yes, she got that black belt. Yes, sir.
No, I know. What the heck? Look who it is. Josh from ASB.
Vlog.
Can I say out of the vlog?
Yes, he can.
Hi vlog.
This is Juliet. She's sophomore president. I'm currently eating a donut that the sophomores are passing out. Ava, do you want to say hi? Hi. This is Sunrise. This is Celine. I know you guys need to meet ASB as a whole.
Question of the day: sugar donuts or chocolate donuts? Chocolate. Sugar donuts.
It's lunchtime. We're in the library. Why does my camera look all? Look who it is.
Hello, vlog.
Tell them about life right now.
I'm really going through it.
He's going through it, you guys. It's the junior year slump.
I have like the worst haircut ever. Like, what is
It's
this?
not that bad.
I look.
Isn't it better than his old?
Yes, I agree.
You just said I looked homeless.
Oh, this is Aiden, by the way.
Oh my gosh.
And this is Baker, if you're new to my channel.
Dude, I just bought the Tasanya water bottle, and it said $1.50, right? Dude, it was literally $5. Are you kidding me?
Sorry, Bake. Things will get better. Yes, no.
You're wasting film. You know how expensive film is?
Comment down below something positive for Baker. No. It's okay. So yeah, basically lunchtime we just hang out in the library. There's a lot of students in here. We just ended 5th period history. It's like 98 degrees right now. It's so hot. It's so hot. But I was trying to film in class. But are you ready for game day?
You know I'm ready for game day, but we're gonna get it tonight. We're always ready.
Yeah, that's good. Do you want to say hi, Lindsay? This is Lindsay. Hey guys. Okay, anyways, last period, apes. I'm walking there right now. Okay, bye! This is our apes classroom, and today we're working on soil salinization lab. I didn't even know what that means. Nope! So basically, oh wait, yeah, I'll show you guys. Are those petri dishes? Yeah. Here are the petri dishes. So we grew bean sprouts.
And each percent is how much
Salt is in the bean sprout. And then Monday, we have to have a 4-paragraph essay due. So now we need to collect the data. Also, it says it's gonna rain in 20 minutes, 100%. The weather's so freaking weird, bro.
You know how they used to have a geography class here?
Wait, click
I hope everyone's having a great day. I love you all, and I'll see you all later.
Hey guys, I'm taking Baker home. And for some reason, he put on my construction jacket.
Okay, let me explain what's going on. There is a literal tropical storm over.
Yeah.
Can I see your
No,
school?
you can't. No. But yeah, it's raining. It's really windy.
There was like wind. It was hail. It was hailing. I felt something in my face.
Are you sure?
Swear.
Also-
Hey, nothing's gonna stop us from Greenhouse Committee though. So.
Also, the reason I have that is we have a neon football game coming up, so that's what I'm gonna wear. Basically, my brain is freaking fried. Like, I'm so tired. Tell them how you're doing. Give them a little update from lunch, because you like were looking
Okay, lunch
sad.
was kind of bad, but like I'm hopeful now. You know, like.
Stop!
Lunch is actually.
You can't say that! Okay, basically I'm taking him home, but I'll see him later at the football game. But then I'm gonna go home, just rest. Maybe like
Rest?
take it. Can you like? And then Addie and Arisha are coming over later, so I'll just update you guys when they do. Okay, bye. Peace out. Mwah. Hello.
Yay, football!
Okay guys, here are our fits for the football game. Green out. Since we're a part of ASB, we're gonna go early to set up the student section, like with posters and like green decor. Okay, yeah. So let's go. Football game time. Okay, bye.
Universal.
Okay guys, so
football game is you go to In-N-Out. So this is what it looks like. Literally, I know. So many freaking people. Like the whole school is basically here.
Roll Tide.
There's no way you can sit that. I am. Let's get in the vlog. What? Guys, help me guys. Put myself in it. Loving this angle.
Alright you guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. It's literally like 1 in the morning right now. I am so tired. Today was such a long day, but it was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to school and then also the football game. This is one of the many school vlogs to come. I hope you all are having a good school year so far. And thanks again to Notion for sponsoring this video. I completed everything on my to-do list for today, so make sure to sign up for Notion now. Click the link down below and start today. But if you stayed till the end of this video, comment down below the green heart emoji. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and go cop some cool self-care merch. I will see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye. Mwah.